Ever wonder why no two snowflakes are the same, or why every fingerprint is unique? Just like these marvels of nature, the beauty of diversity lies in its uniqueness. It's about more than just the color of our skin or the language we speak. Diversity is like a vast garden, brimming with an array of flowers. Each flower, with its own color, shape, and scent, contributes to the overall beauty of the garden. In the same way, our world is enriched by the multitude of cultures, traditions, and perspectives it holds. Each person is a unique blend of experiences and thoughts, adding to the collective tapestry of human existence. Diversity isn't just about our physical differences. It extends to our thoughts, our ideas, our experiences. It's the different ways we see the world, solve problems, and express ourselves. Just like nature, human diversity is a beautiful display of variety and uniqueness. Have you ever noticed the array of different foods at a supermarket? That's diversity. Let's dive a bit deeper into this concept. Take a moment to picture your favorite supermarket. As you walk down the aisles, you'll see a wide variety of foods, each from different parts of the world. There's pasta from Italy, sushi from Japan, tacos from Mexico, and so much more. Each of these foods represents the culture and traditions of a different country, and together, they create a culinary map of the world right there in your local store. Now let's switch gears a bit and think about music. Consider the vast array of genres available to us. There's rock, country, jazz, classical, hip-hop, reggae, and countless others. Each genre has its unique sound, rhythm, and style, contributing to the rich tapestry of music we enjoy. This diversity in music allows us to experience different emotions, stories, and cultures, all through the power of sound. Clothing, too, is an expression of diversity. Imagine a world where everyone wore the same outfit every day. Quite dull, isn't it? Thankfully, our wardrobes are as varied as our personalities. From the chic simplicity of a little black dress to the vibrant colors of a traditional Indian sari, our clothes reflect our individuality and cultural heritage. But diversity is more than just food, music, and clothing. It's about the unique experiences, skills, and perspectives that each of us brings to the table. It's about learning from each other and growing together. It's about embracing our differences, not fearing them. In our everyday lives, we encounter diversity at every turn. It's in the books we read, the movies we watch, the people we meet. It's in the conversations we have, the ideas we share, the dreams we chase. And that's the beauty of diversity. It adds richness, depth, and color to our world. It challenges us, inspires us, and helps us see things from different perspectives. It's the spice that adds flavor to our lives, the melody that makes our song unique, the thread that weaves the tapestry of our human experience. Diversity adds color, flavor, and music to our lives. Why should we respect and embrace differences? Think about a puzzle. Imagine a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece is unique, with its distinct shape, color, and design. Some pieces may be blue, others green, while some may have a curve here, a jagged edge there. Despite these differences, each piece plays a crucial role in completing the picture. Remove one, and the image is incomplete. The beauty of the puzzle lies in the diversity of its pieces. This metaphor extends to our world, a vibrant puzzle filled with a myriad of cultures, ethnicities, religions, and genders. Each one of us is a unique piece, contributing to the magnificent mosaic that is humanity. When we acknowledge and respect these differences, we create a more harmonious and enriching environment. By appreciating the distinct cultures, we open ourselves to new perspectives, ideas, and experiences. When we respect different ethnicities, we acknowledge the rich tapestry of human history and the strength of our shared humanity. Understanding and valuing various religions foster tolerance and empathy, reducing conflicts and promoting peace. Embracing the diversity of genders ensures equality, fairness, and the freedom for everyone to express their true selves. Just as every puzzle piece is essential, every person, no matter their culture, ethnicity, religion, or gender, brings unique value. Diversity fuels creativity, innovation, and progress. It enhances our communities, schools, and workplaces, making them more dynamic, inclusive, and productive. However, understanding and respecting diversity requires effort. It requires us to challenge our biases, broaden our minds, and nurture our empathy. But the rewards are immense. A world that respects diversity is a world that is richer, kinder, and more vibrant. So let's strive to be like a well-fitted puzzle, where every piece, despite its differences, contributes to a beautiful whole. Let's recognize that our differences don't divide us, but rather, they enrich us. Just like a puzzle, every piece, every person, adds value to the community. How can we promote inclusivity and understanding in our daily lives? It starts with a simple hello. It's a potent phrase that opens doors and invites connection. But promoting inclusivity goes far beyond a friendly greeting. It's about creating environments where everyone feels valued and recognized for their unique contributions. One of the easiest ways to promote inclusivity is by learning about different cultures. It's a fantastic opportunity to broaden your horizons and get a better understanding of the world around you. Try reading books about different cultures, or maybe even learn a few words in a new language. It's not just about knowledge, it's about respect. By showing interest in someone else's culture, you're showing them that you value their background and experiences. Next, let's talk about language. We communicate with words, and the words we choose can have a big impact. Choosing inclusive language means using words that respect all people and their identities. For example, instead of saying guys when referring to a group of people, use everyone or folks. Small changes like these can make a huge difference in making everyone feel included. Showing empathy is another crucial aspect of promoting inclusivity. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. It's about putting yourself in someone else's shoes and seeing things from their perspective. When you show empathy, you are showing that you value their feelings and experiences. Finally, look for ways to apply these practices in your everyday interactions. Whether at school, work, or in your community, every interaction is an opportunity to promote inclusivity and understanding. It could be as simple as inviting someone new to join your lunch group, or as significant as standing up against discrimination when you see it. Remember, promoting inclusivity isn't just about making others feel welcome. It's about enriching our own lives as well. When we embrace diversity, we open ourselves up to new ideas, experiences, and perspectives that can help us grow as individuals. Inclusivity begins with understanding and respecting the beauty of our differences. Let's celebrate the rich tapestry of humanity and make every day a celebration of diversity. Diversity is not just about differences, it's about celebrating those differences. As we have journeyed through this topic, we've seen the beauty that diversity brings to our everyday lives. From the variety of cultures, religions, and ethnicities that paint our world with vibrant colors, to the richness of gender diversity that adds depth to our understanding of humanity. These differences are not boundaries, but bridges that connect us, fostering a sense of unity amidst diversity. So let's celebrate them. Let's rejoice in the symphony of languages we hear around us, the tapestry of traditions that weave our communities together, and the spectrum of viewpoints that broaden our perspectives. By promoting inclusivity and understanding, we can create environments where everyone feels valued and respected. In our schools, workplaces, and communities, let's strive to appreciate and celebrate these differences. Because in the end, it's these very differences that make us beautifully human. Remember, diversity is like a rainbow. Each color is unique, yet they all come together to create something beautiful.